Ever wondered how to make money online? The digital world is brimming with opportunities, and one of the most lucrative is affiliate marketing. It's a method accessible to anyone with internet access and a bit of determination. Today, we are demystifying the process of earning through affiliate marketing. First and foremost, choose a niche you're passionate about. It's the fuel for motivation, and a niche with active affiliate programs is key. A wisely chosen niche is the cornerstone of successful affiliate marketing. And next, research affiliate programs related to your chosen niche. Reputable programs like Amazon Associates, ClickBank, or Share a Sale are great places to start. Choosing the right affiliate program can make all the difference. Now, construct a platform to share content. Blogs, YouTube channels, or social profiles can serve this purpose. A solid platform is your launchpad to success. It's time to produce quality content. Strive for value-packed articles and videos, weaving affiliate links seamlessly. Remember, content is king. Next, drive traffic to your platform. Harness the power of SEO, social media, and diverse marketing strategies. Remember, more traffic often means more conversions. Optimizing conversions is key. By experimenting with strategies, you can boost affiliate link conversions. Remember, optimization turns traffic into profits. Analysis and adjustment are critical next steps. By studying performance metrics, you'll pinpoint success and tweak strategies accordingly. Analyze, adjust, and ascend. Finally, it's time to scale your efforts. Expanding content and exploring more affiliate programs is key once success is within your grasp. Scaling is the ultimate step to boost your earnings. So that's how you can make money online with affiliate marketing. From choosing your niche, researching programs, building your platform, to optimizing conversions, each step is crucial. Harnessing the power of the internet, affiliate marketing holds a world of potential profitability. Affiliate marketing, your pathway to online earnings. Start your journey today.